Okay, so as I was saying, class, our topic for today has something to do with cleanliness keeps the community healthy. So as I was saying, I have shown you these photos a while ago, and Kali said that there was a big flood based on the photos. Okay, any more? Okay, any more insight? Okay, how about Sajan? What can you say about the photos?
Um, because of the typhoon Euthides, the flood reached very high that it even reached the roofs of the houses of the people, and the muds were also created.
Okay, so you are talking
And the
about the
father is also
Bagyo
carrying a baby to save him or her from the
to
flood.
save, okay, to save his child.
Teacher, guys,
Okay, so
can I
Sajan is
tell you what I
right.
saw the picture?
Wait lang po. He told us about the Bagyong Ulysses, okay? That devastated Cagayan and some other parts of the Philippines, right? And as what you all know, even here in Kawayan, we were affected also by the said
Nagka-brown out
typhoon.
sa amin.
Okay, yeah. Yun nga, yung pag-brown out nga sa inyo, it's just a
Teacher, since we have
minor,
a generator, it didn't brown out. Our lights only
yeah.
malfunction.
Okay, it's just a
Teacher,
minor
we didn't
effect
have
on
a
your
blackout
part.
since we have a generator.
Oh, lucky you, okay? Because you are privileged to have such generator. But for most of us, we do not have generator. So we have to suffer like wait for Iselco to continue the electricity again. And you know, it took a lot of days for the electricity to be restored, right? Because according to their
Yes, sir.
announcement, they only have to restore
Someone
it
died.
once the ang tawag dito, once the level of the water goes down. Eh di ba napansin niyo nung mga time na yon, ulan ng ulan, as in sobrang lakas ng ulan. So basically, hindi talaga bababa yung tubig. Okay, so the water keeps on rising, and then what was the main problem that happened? Okay, bumabagyo na nga, nagpalabas pa
Sir,
ang,
baha.
okay,
Ayun.
do you know the dam? Do you know the name
Sir,
of the
late
dam?
silang
Sir, yes.
nag-release sa dam. Sir, late
Okay, the
silang
dam.
nag-release sa dam.
Okay, so there are people saying that the dam, what do you call this? Late daw sila nag-inform, kaya hindi nakalikas yung mga tao. Okay, may mga ganong insights. Pero of course, teacher will not be biased in terms of giving her opinion towards that. Pero yon, isa rin yun sa naging reason kung bakit tumaas ng sobra yung tubig. Kasi seven gates ng
Gates.
that dam, okay, ang binuksan. Kaya yun, of course, bumaba yung lahat
Relate
dito
ba nila
sa
binuksan?
Cagayan, bumaha lahat dito sa Isabela. Hindi, they need to open it kasi ang dam, it's also dangerous pag nag-hold siya ng sobrang dami ng tubig. Okay? So basically, kapag hindi nila yung pinakawalan, the tendency is it will break and mas malakas yung ano niya, delikado for everyone. So yeah, that's it. But actually, class, I just took these photos, okay, to remind each and everyone that it is our also responsibility to keep our community clean.
Wait, you
Okay,
took
tingnan nyo
the
tong first
photos while
photo.
in the sir?
Yeah, they took the photo
Yeah.
while there is a disaster. Take a look on the first photo. Di ba ang daming kalat, right?
Daming putik.
Yes, ang daming putik.
Mud.
Compared to other, yeah, there are a lot of mud. Compared to other countries, when there are big floods, it is very clean. So, doon yung makikita na ang mga tao ay naglilinis regularly ng kanilang mga kanal, ng kanilang mga, what do you call this? Ng kanilang paligid. Okay? Kumpara kasi dito sa Pilipinas, as what you all know, people have no discipline, okay? Some, okay, I will not generalize.
Saan?
Yeah. They keep on throwing their garbages out of nowhere, tapos silang tapon kung saan saan. Eh, hindi nila alam, eventually, this will just come back. Diba? Babalik at babalik din to. Parang ito. Ayan. So, ayun, super kawawa sila. Pero, we also have to take note that we are part of this one. Okay? We are also the reason why is
Tapos,
this particular thing is happening. Although this is a natural disaster, pero yung effects niya kasi, okay, meron ding the cause, I should say, okay, involved din ang tao. Especially mining, okay, and illegal logging. Diba,
Oo,
class,
sure yun.
yes, ang Sierra Madre natin ngayon ay, what do you call this? Nakakalbo na. And alam nyo ba,
Oo,
ang
sure yun.
Sierra Madre is, it has a lot of trees. It's like a, what do you call
Parang
this?
forest?
Yun yung barrier natin. Yeah, it's a forest that is our barrier. Sana, kumbaga ito yung flow ng, yung pagbagsak ng tubig. Hindi sana siya diretso sa mga bahay. Dumidiretso sa bahay because of the, ang tawag dito? Because of the deforestation. O, pag deforestation includes the illegal cutting of logs. Okay. Kaya ang
Di ba
solusyon
kung
dito,
cut
class,
one tree plant, ano?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
require government
Plant.
you require
Yes.
government
Permission?
permission to cut trees. You require
Kaya-
government permission.
Alam ko, sure, sinasabi nila if you cut one tree, ano?
illegal yun. If you cut one tree, you replace it also. Yeah, you need to plant again, di ba? Pagka kumuha ka ng puno, ganun sana. Pero alam niyo naman ang tao, they are using it for their own sake, okay? For their own profit, for their own houses, na hindi na nila naaalala ang function ng trees, di ba? Okay, trees,
So, di ba yun
trees
yung
are very
parang
important.
para sa tubig, isasak up ngayon?
Oo nga.
Para
yes.
bumaba
Nag-a-absorb
yung baha.
siya. Oo, nag-a-absorb siya ng baha. So basically, hindi didiretso sana sa mga bahay yung baha kung andun yung mga puno na nag-hold ng baha. Okay? There are numerous pictures that you can see online that is showing the good effects of trees during flash floods. Okay? So yun, o di sana hindi tayo nahihirapan. Okay? Anyway, question, how do we keep our communities healthy? Okay, anyone? How do we keep our communities healthy? Okay.
Sure.
Wait, I'm looking for... Okay, Ariana. Ariana is raising her hand. Sige.
Just raise your hand.
Cleaning.
By
Who's raising my
cleaning...
hand, Pia?
Ariana, come again?
By cleaning our surrounding.
Okay. We can keep our communities healthy by cleaning our surroundings. Okay, yes, very good. Aside from that, class, aside from cleaning your surroundings, any more? Okay, let me check. Okay, Prab.
Keep the street and sidewalks clean.
Okay, oh, there you go. He said a specific example. By cleaning the side streets, okay, the canal specifically, make sure that the canals are, what they call this, are not clogged. When I say clogged, make sure that they are not filled with, they are not filled with garbages or weeds, weeds, the small, yung mga damo-damo na kung saan-saan tumutubo. Okay. And of course, it's the responsibility of the community residing on that place. Okay? Kayo nga, class, maswerte kayo kasi most of you are staying on a very clean community, di ba? Most of you are, what do you call this, have their homes in a village or in a subdivision, things like that. So most of the time sa mga ganong lugar, walang problema in terms of keeping your communities clean, di ba? Pag lalabas kayo, makikita nyo malinis yung lugar nyo. Okay? But in our area, okay, pag alam niyo yun, how do I put this into words? If people do not have discipline, okay, dun talaga, class, discipline is the backbone of everything. Okay, when I say it's the backbone of everything, everything starts with having discipline.
Another way to get your community healthy is to follow community rules and what is following community rules.
Okay, following
Sometimes
community rules. Yes. If there are community rules, Okay, paano kung tamad yung community na yon? Like, they don't prioritize the, the environment at all. They don't care about the environment as long as they are living. May mga ganun kasing communities, right? So, ayun. It starts with the responsibilities, with the own responsibilities of the citizens. Okay, sige po. Yes, you may be. It starts with the responsibilities of the citizens. Okay. Anyway, class, let me start our lesson by defining what is a community. Okay. Actually, class, ang community hindi lang po yan. Okay, yes, you may be. Okay, may narinig akong lecture from the background. Okay, community class is not only... Okay, sige po magpina. Community is not only limited to your barangays, okay? To your specific purok, ganon. Community refers to group of people living together in a place, sharing and helping one another in doing different activities that aim to make it a better place to live in. Okay. CDC class is also an example of a community, right? Okay, because we are living together in a certain place, in the school. Okay. School is an example of a community. What else? In your church, right? Okay, your church group is an example of community also. Because you make your church clean. Okay, that is an example of community. What else are examples of communities that you can think of? In your barangays, in your own home. Okay, what else? In school. Okay, school is considered as a community. Okay, and many more. So basically, you have a goal in making your place, okay, a better place to live in. Okay. By the way, class, may I ask you, do you involve yourselves in community cleanup drives? Do you know such thing? For example, the barangay captain is asking kids to help in cleaning the drainage and the canals in your area. Do you join such kind of activities?
No.
Pero wala sa amin.
Sure, wala akong naririnig na ganun dito.
Dito sa amin wala akong narinig.
Walang ganon. Okay. Pero you know what, class? Oo. Kung walang ganon, just simply clean your own place. Like clean, alam niyo yung tapat mo, linis mo? Tapat mo, linis mo na campaign before. O, diba? Siyempre, by cleaning, pag nilinisan mo yung tapat mo at lahat ng tao ay lilinisan ang tapat niya, siyempre, malinis ang kapaligiran, di ba? And you know, there are different effects of having unclean surroundings. Pag dirty ang surroundings mo, you can get pollution. Aside from pollution, diseases also, right?
Sa baha, di ba? Leptospirosis.
Yeah, leptospirosis and fungi. You will get a lot of fungi. Yung mga kati-kati, gano'n. So, maswerte kayo kasi hindi tayo naabutan ng baha, di ba? Some of you, hindi naman naabutan.
Malapit sa amin. Sure, sa amin malapit.
May mga nabaha sa inyo? May mga nabaha ba sa inyo? May I know?
Sure, sa amin lang ata.
Sure, sa amin hindi.
Sure, pinakita na namin yung picture. At dito bahay namin, andito na yung baha.
Ay, pero yung
surrounding na sa amin. Sinasaraw na sa amin.
Okay.
Sa amin wala.
Sino yung nabaha? Pakiulit niya.
Pero kami nabaha, pero lumipat lang kami. Medyo mataas na.
naman sa warehouse lang namin yung nabaha. Kasi mas mababa yung place.
Sure, sa amin, sir, yung bahay na sana na pagtitiran namin na baha doon.
Jella, gano'ng kataas yung baha sa inyo?
Hindi naman sobrang taas. Pero sa mga ibang bahay, chair, sobrang taas hanggang tuhod siguro. Yung mga iba, chair, kasi
mga ibang bahay, chair, hanggang sa bubong na.
Oo, yeah. Just like what I flash a while ago. Sa inyo, Marion? Taga sa ka ba, Marion?
Hindi naman po. Kasama po yung family ko. Pero ano po, yata hanggang neck po. Sa waist po muna tapos naging sa neck.
So, lumipat muna kayo for a while. maganda yun, class. I mean, kung may malilipatan kayo, oo, that's the first thing that you have to do. Do not wait for the rescue anymore, di ba? Kung makakalipat kayo on your own, kung kaya nyo namang i-transport yung sarili nyo habang maaga pa, lumikas na kayo, di ba? Syempre, you know, your own safety should be your priority. Huwag nyo munang isipin yung mga ari-arian nyo, like your TVs, your computers, and all. Kasi, di ba nga, gaya nga sinasabi yung teacher sa ESP, everything will be perish. Okay, lahat ng ito ay mawawala din sooner or later, di ba? Okay.
Chair,
So,
may
ang una nyong...
sa news, Chair, may nakita ako, Chair. Dahil sa baha, yung pumunta na lang sila sa puno na mataas.
O, kung may punong mataas. Basta ang una nyo iisipin is your safety. Okay. Pwede naman kayong bumalik dun sa lugar nyo to clean your
Tapos
stuff.
Chair, may pinakita ng papa ko po, Chair, na may mga kids na matay doon kasi nga hindi nila alam nag-swim kayo. Sabi ng papa ko, kaya that's why pinapapunta ko kayo sa swimming training when summer.
Actually, yeah, swimming is a survival skill when there is
Yes,
when there is a
Magaling lang
flash
ako sa
flood.
mga short na meters, pero kung marami, mahuhuliraw na ako. Pero yung kuya ko, mas magaling, Chair.
Pero minsan kasi class, ang tawag dito, delikado mag-swim. Especially, ayun nga, madumi yung...
Opo, Chair.
Madumi yung...
Pero
At saka-
pwede ka mag-float, Chair, or mag-swim in case kung mapupunta ka sa sea, try swimming doon hanggang doon sa may mataas, tapos pwede kayong
kung
mag-climb.
meron. If you are equipped with materials, 'di ba? Pero yung mga poorest of the poor or the people who cannot afford such, kung ano na lang yung magawa nilang paraan para mailikas yung sarili nila. Kaya yun, sobrang kawawa din talaga sila. Okay? Anyway, class, here are the following things that you can do in order to make your environment clean. Okay, di ba meron naman tayong mga tinatawag na mga officials sa ating mga lugar, yung mga barangay captains natin, ayan. Sila ang nag-organize ng mga clean and green project. Okay? And this includes involving residents in the cleaning of gutters, okay, pulling weeds, yung mga damo, cementing paths, okay, magsemento ng mga paths, mga daanan, okay, campaigning to keep dogs inside one's yard and injecting them with anti-rabies. Okay, so as what you all know, class, being a responsible owner, okay, of your dogs, especially your aspins, okay, kasi doon naman mostly natatakot ang mga tao. Okay, will keep your environment clean also. Bakit? Bakit yung isang aso nyo?
Yung isang aso namin, Chair, nakalabas, matapang pa siya.
Yun nga. Kaya dapat you should keep your dogs inside their own yard. Okay? Kasi
Pero ang laki niya pa. Ang tapang niya pa.
Pag nakakagat, responsibility yung makakagat noon kahit anong mangyari. And
Kaya pati kami, nakalabas kagabi yung aso namin, ang laki-laki pa niya. Sir, tapos kung natutulog kami, Chair, lagi nagpa-bark yung dog namin even though kung walang stranger. Sure. Example, sometimes may neighbor dog sila tapos pinapalabas nila si Minty. Not gonna lie, yung neighbor namin. Sa amin naman di masyadong lalaki yung cage niya kaya siya nakalabas.
Sa amin, Chair, nakalabas dahil pa uwi kami sa SM, Chair. Tapos i-open na namin yung gate, nakalabas yung aso Yung kaka-open na yung door sa gate, lumabas na.
Okay, isa-isa lang.
Sabi ng lolo ko po na kung nag-cut ka ng balls sa dog mo, edi magiging mabait sila tapos hindi sila malalabas even though. At ganun.
What do you mean cutting balls?
Cutting balls? Ano yun?
Sabi ng parents ko, or it depends. Let's forget
balls
about it.
na?
Never mind!
He's talking about the genitals of the dog. Okay, I don't know about that one. Okay, anyway. Okay, so So here are some photos, class, that show people cleaning in their own community. Okay, ayan o, specifically yung kanal nila. Isa rin kasing magandang function ng kanal is, syempre it will keep the flow of the water. Hindi siya mag-stay sa isang lugar lang kapag maayos ang mga kanal natin. Okay? Hindi maabilis tataas agad yung tubig kapag malinis yung kanal. Syempre, imagine if your canals are clogged, okay, what will happen? Okay? So, I hope that when you grow up, class, you also participate with such kind of activities. Okay?
Teacher, if I were them, I'll just make
Okay.
robots and then they'll do everything to make our community clean. That's what I'll
Teacher,
do.
may
activity ba tayo sa university?
Okay, actually, your activity in GEM also will be... pero on screen ko siya ipapagawa sa inyo. Okay, mamaya
Sir,
na.
synchronous yung activity?
Oo, synchronous dito sa
Sir,
Zoom.
gagawin
Okay.
namin mamaya, Sir.
Hindi, dito sa time natin. Okay, mamaya na.
Okay.
Okay, so we are blessed to belong to a community where most of the members are determined to work for the good of community. Okay. So basically, class, yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. If a certain community are helping together, okay, to make the environment clean, walang problema. Pero kung may mga tao na, they don't participate at all in such kind of activities, of course, what will happen to that certain community, di ba? Hindi naman pwede certain group lang ang maglilinis, tapos sila na all throughout the entire year, things like that. Okay, so dapat talaga there is unity in a certain community. Okay? So basically, class, we people want to live in a community that enables us to attain holistic health. So when we say holistic health, overall health. Okay? Kaya nga, yung mga magulang natin, basically, they are trying their best for us to live in a community that is healthy for us, physically, mentally, and spiritually, and even socially, di ba? Hindi nila tayo hayaang tumira sa isang lugar na maraming dumi, hindi rin na tayo hahayaan tumira sa isang lugar wherein we cannot bond with the kids there, things like that. Okay? They are making sure that we have a holistic health. Okay, so holistic health is the care for the body, mind, and soul. Okay, so overall. So all aspects of the personality are taken care of, such as physical, mental, social, and spiritual. Okay. So how do you take care of your physical health? Of course, by practicing proper hygiene, right? Okay, by taking a bath every day. Do you take a bath every day?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Kahit malamig. Oo, kahit
Sir,
malamig.
pero minsan late na ako naliligo.
Wag lang practicein na late maligo kasi masama rin yun. Masama rin yun sa kalusugan. Okay. And then by brushing your teeth 3 times a day, you also take care of your physical health through that. And then by eating the right food. Okay, mental health. How do you protect your mental health? Of course, by what? How do you protect your mental health? By not involving yourselves in issues, di ba?
Yes. By not being
Oh.
involved in fist fight.
What's
In
that?
fist fights, in social media fights, things like that. If it doesn't concern you, okay, then leave it there, things like that. Social, okay, how do you take care of your social health? Of course, by socializing with people. With good people kas ha, okay, those people who will help you grow. Okay, hindi yung mga taong walang magandang maidudulot sa'yo. Okay, so be friends with those kind of people. Okay, yung maganda ang dulot sa'yo.
Yung magandang influence, hindi yung bad.
Yes, very good. You got it right. Yes. And spiritual health. Of course, we are done with this before. We can, what do you call this? We can boost our spiritual health by praying every day, by going to church services during Sunday, things like that. Okay. Anyway, class, here are 2 comparisons. Okay, of the effect of having a clean and healthy environment versus having a dirty surroundings or dirty environment. Mamaya yung dirty surroundings. So ano ba ang epekto nito sa tao? Okay? So basically, if you have a clean and healthy environment, it keeps the people strong and healthy because they rarely get sick. Yes. Syempre, di ba? Just like what I told you a while ago, okay? There are a lot of mosquitoes, there are a lot of flies if the community is dirty. Okay. Pag clean at healthy, of course, you will not uh, have such kind of pests or insects in your place. Oo, safe kayo from dengue, safe kayo from pollution and all. Mm-mm. Next, people can breathe clean and fresh air. Yes. Sino ba naman ang may gusto ng mausok na lugar, right? Kaya nga tayo nasa
Diba
probinsya
chill yung
because we want this kind
mga
of
places
life.
na madaming ganun?
Mausok sa Manila. Okay, accidents also seldom happen. Yes. Okay, what are accidents?
Teacher, what's the activity we're
Car
gonna do?
accidents.
Later.
What?
Okay, car accidents in a place. What else?
If magkakaroon ng tapos did you know
Shoot out.
Sir, did you know
away
kung
sa
may
lugar.
flood? Sir, alam mo sir kung meron mga grass ganun sir doon sa city tapos nagkaroon ng flood sir, ina-absorb ng grass tapos para hindi ma-stuff para yung water pwede magkaroon at para nahanap ko doon sa YouTube, sabi ni Nadeli na isang babae gumawa ng pangganito tapos tapos kina-absorb ng mga water content.
Okay. And then people can happily gather together. Yeah. Of course, if you have a healthy environment, masaya kang lalabas, di ba? And communicate with your friends, with your neighbors, things like that. But if your environment is not clean, okay, matitiis mo bang makipag-chismis sa kapitbahay mo while your environment is very dirty? Okay, di ba? Wala kang magandang nagagawa sa buhay mo kapag ganun ka. Okay, anyway.
To have a clean environment, it should also have a happy environment, clean and happy.
Yeah, of course. Clean environment leads to happy environment. Okay. Enough with the stories enough with the irrelevant stories anymore. Okay, now let's proceed with dirty environment. What happens if you have a dirty environment? Of course, people are always in danger of getting
There
sick.
was a fire. There was a wildfire in Australia, and I feel sad at the koalas and the kangaroos. And feel
Okay. Okay, thank you for that. Okay,
I always get
bushfire.
sad whenever koalas are hurt. I love koalas and the others.
Okay, but you should also get hurt. But you should also get hurt in terms of your co-Filipinos being...
Yes, I get sometimes hurt on Filipinos because of course they are nice and I feel sad whenever they get something sad.
Okay, enough with your emotions.
China people eat koalas, so and then that's where they get coronavirus.
Part of the topic.
Okay, thank you for that.
They're not healthy. They're not healthy.
Okay.
Or sometimes bad. Of course, bad.
Hindi yan part of the topic.
Okay,
We're not in science. We're not in health and science. We're in ESP, which we learned some attitudes. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, but we are also talking about your health here. We are talking about health, but your topic kasi is very out of the coverage. Okay? Anyway, okay, they are exposed to flies and mosquitoes that carry diseases. Yes. Flies carries a lot of diseases. Alam niyo, pag dumapo ang langaw sa pagkain niyo, pwedeng sumakit ang tiyan niyo. Okay? So, make sure to cover your food every time. What else? Mosquitoes also what? What disease? What specific disease do mosquitoes carry? Dengue, yes.
Malaria.
Sabi naman, malaria. Sobrang hirap magkaroon ng dengue. Have you tried having dengue?
Ako, yes.
Ako hindi.
That was grade
Okay.
3 with my sister.
Bakit kaya kayo nagka-dengue? Alam nyo,
Ay, natutusok kami
Kinagat lang lang.
Natutusok ako.
so
I don't know
yun,
for dengue.
hindi siguro clean yung
Sometimes
environment.
gases
Not that
gets
clean.
out
Hindi
whenever
na,
there is
sir,
a
medyo
bird.
malinis na.
Yeah.
Pero, ewan ko.
Pag nag-i-stock kasi kayo ng tubig grass, nagpo-form yun ng kitikiti. You know kitikiti? The small children
yes.
of mosquitoes.
Parang worm.
Yun.
Tadpoles.
Yes.
I don't know what's kitty
They are
kitty
not
in
tadpoles.
English, but yeah.
They are not
Okay.
tadpoles. Okay. Yung maliit
Worms.
na gumaganda.
They're like-
they look like worms.
Are they like a fly bat? Are
No,
they like a fly?
they are baby mosquitoes. They will turn into mosquitoes soon. Okay.
Kitty kitty. Okay.
Oo, kitty-kitty. Okay,
Ba't
children's
kiti-kiti?
Maybe it's because of course kitty kitty is like a source. Because of course, maybe it's kitty kitty
Okay,
because of
hindi natin matatapos ang lesson natin pag salita kayo ng salita. Tama na. Okay.
they called
People.
kitty kitty because they got scratched always whenever like a
Oh my
pup.
God, Kyle. Let's stop talking about etymology
sorry.
more.
That's not our lesson.
Okay, children's growth are hampered. Okay, I think I have to mute everyone first para makapagsalita na ako ng tuloy-tuloy.
I will just mute myself another.
Okay, there you go. So children's growth are hampered. When we say hampered class, basically, it is hindered na, what do you call this? Napipigil yung paglaki ng mga bata. So when we say napipigil, basically, you know, in places like in squatter areas, di ba? So you all know it is very dirty in squatter areas. The kids there do not have the proper nutrition, hindi sila nakakain ng mabuti. At the same time, their environment is also dirty. Kaya, mabilis sila magkasakit. Hindi sila tumatangkad kagaya nung tangkad na appropriate for their age level. Okay? So, tignan nyo itong mga bata dito sa pictures. They look so small and they are very thin, right? Okay. Next, the air smells foul and dirty. Surroundings are not pleasing to the eyes. Siyempre, di ba? Pangit talaga tignan pagka dirty ang paligid. Okay. At mabaho rin siya. Okay. 5 participants are raising their hand. If you have a question, kindly lower your hands. Okay. But if you want to say something, just raise it. Okay. Mamaya na ako magtatawag. Ay! Wait. What happened to my PowerPoint? Where is it? Okay. Here you go. Okay, kindly open your books, everyone. Ito na po yung activity. Okay, bring out your books. And answer letter A on page 63 to 64. Okay, so if you already have 2 seatworks for today, ito parang ipepending natin siya. Hindi muna natin siya i-upload sa Aralinks. Basta sagutan lang muna today. Okay, on synchronous, meaning we're going to answer it at the same time because we're going to check it also today. Okay. Madali lang to. You have to write true if the statement is correct and false if it is incorrect. So it's all about the discussion that we had, keeping our environment clean. Cleanliness keeps the environment healthy. Okay. So mag-a-allow na akong mag-unmute. Okay, so if you're going to say something, let me say so.
Freedom.
I have a question.
Okay, what's your question, Sajan?
Ng ate ko kasi I'm using my sister's old book.
Oh, how do we do it? Wait, Sajan, what's your question? Mamaya, Dana. Is that Dana?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sajan, what's your question, Sajan?
Some dirty areas, teacher. Why do some malnourished people eat some dirty food like trash, even though they know that they will die by eating them?
They're desperate, Sajan. Some people are so desperate that they have to eat trash to live.
Gutom na
Yes.
sila.
Oh,
Listen.
gutom na gutom. Masyado.
Listen.
What teacher?
Yasmin?
It's already 40
Page-
minutes and then it's not cutting. Did you
Page
buy the
63. No. It's page 63.
Is
Okay,
it?
Sajan.
What's
No, I didn't.
enthusiastic?
Enthusiastic is
Happy.
energetic. Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
We even had a song like that. We even had a song before.
So enthusiastic, which means they're like
Yes, yes.
is
Chanel,
like
Chanel, are you
enthusiastic is
doing your
like
activity?
exercise. Teacher.
Kyle, dapat yung question ni Sajan naging question mo.
Wait lang, Kyle.
One by one.
What's
Kay Sajan.
enthusiastic?
Hindi ko na kung ano enthusiastic. Wait lang, imimute lang kayo ni teacher ha. At sagutin ko yung tanong ni Sajan. Okay. Enthusiastic is energetic. Okay. Can do the task well, things like that. Okay, for Sajan, hindi naman, okay, I would want to contradict Peter with desperate. Kasi yung desperate parang super negative nung connotation natin. Hindi sila desperate. Bakit daw sila kumakain ng food kahit dirty siya? The thing is that Sajan, they don't have a choice. Okay? They don't have a choice. They don't have the means to buy proper food. Okay? Wala silang pera pambili ng food. Okay? Kaya nga lagi nyo iisipin, maswerte kayo kasi nakakain kayo ng higit pa sa 3 beses sa isang araw. Okay? Yan talaga ang gusto mo sabihin sa inyong class. Alam nyo, dito, I didn't came from a well-off family. Hindi kami pinanganak na mayaman. Kaya nasasaktan ako pag sinasabi nila na, yun nga, parang yung sinabi ni Peter kanina, that people are desperate when they get food out from the trash. The thing is that, yun nga, probably walang occupation both parents, at ang parents ay, what they call this? No read, no write. You know, when I say no read, no write, hindi sila makapagsulat, makapagbasa, kaya wala silang nakukuhang trabaho. Okay? Sige, may participants tayo nag-raise na hand. Okay, teacher, I have a question. What's your question, Peter? Okay,
Teacher,
Peter. What's your question, Peter?
what does elated mean?
Saan mo nabasa ang elated? Let me check.
In the C tour.
What number? Para mabilis.
14.
Thrilled.
We are thrilled. Yeah. Thrilled.
Okay, goodbye. And you also remember, yes, the citizen to Peter Lara.
Goodbye.
What?
Okay.
Teacher,
Is everybody
I have
done?
a question.
True or false lang ba?
Question.
Opo, true or false
Let's
lang.
do one by one. Let's start with Gab muna, then after that, others, okay? One by one, because teacher's getting more stressed.
Okay, Gab, what's your question, Gab?
Verse 6, my friends are overwhelmed to see our clean and orderly subdivision. Anong
Parang
parang
ano, nagulat
overwhelmed, sir?
sila.
Happy
Ganon.
o parang
Parang delighted
Okay.
pa yung elated kanina. Parang nagulat sila. Wow.
May
parang
answeran
ganon.
sa book?
Yes po, ito sinabi ko na.
Ano
page
pong
63 to
meaning
64.
na it is disgusting to see people who do not care for the welfare of others? Anong meaning yun, Chef?
Disgusting is like you are disappointed. Okay, you are disappointed when you see people who doesn't care about the welfare of others. What?
What is dissatisfied?
Dissatisfied, you are not contented or you are not, yeah, yun, you are not contented, you are not satisfied. It's the antonym of satisfied, dissatisfied.
So what is
Okay, done na po.
overwhelmed?
Overwhelmed is ano? Positive ang overwhelmed. Overwhelmed is positive.
Can I write the
wow,
answers in my notebook?
Pero lahat, basa
Yeah, you may do it
1
so.
to 10 or 1 to 15?
1 to 15 po.
It's an old
How
book
about
and I'm just
64?
borrowing it. And
Okay, it's okay.
they already wrote the answer, so I'm writing it on my notebook.
Put it
Okay,
in the
it's
book
fine.
because I might be able to see my sister's answer.
Okay, yes, you may do so.
Magawin ba yung letter B, Chair? At
No.
Sure?
No,
Just A lang?
Yes, just
Sige,
letter A.
Okay, I'm
Ayun
done,
po,
Chair.
naka-flash na sa
Can I
screen kung
double
ano ang
check,
dapat
teacher,
gawin.
to see if my answers are wrong?
Oo,
So
i-check
I can
natin
pass.
pagkatapos nating...
Okay, I'll double check it before teacher checks mine.
Okay. Okay, we only have 10 minutes left. Do it faster.
Teacher, did you do the premium thing? Because our meeting's not cutting. Did you
Sir,
pay?
ba question?
I don't know.
Sir, ba question?
Yes, what's your question?
Sir, anong meaning BRL? Huh? Number 14, sir.
Delighted. Delighted ang ano niya.
Happy.
Delighted is the synonyms of elated. Like, we are happy. Elated. We are happy. Okay, done na? Okay, please lower your hands first and then raise your hands if you are done.
So what is stimulated?
Question.
Wait lang, may tanong si... It's a girl. Si Sophia ata
Teacher, is
nagtatanong.
overwhelmed a good thing or a bad thing?
It's a good thing. It's a good thing. For example, your parents told you that, wow, I am overwhelmed with your grades. Okay, of course, they are happy. Okay, raise your hands if you are done. Sophia, what's your question? I cannot hear you that much. Make it louder.
Stimulated.
I-raise yung hand kung tapos na, Chair.
Opo.
Okay.
Ano ulit? Ano ulit? Hindi ko narinig.
Stimulated in letter B.
Ay, hindi na po kasali yung letter B. Stimulated. Hindi na kasali yun. But you pronounce it as stimulated. Ang stimulated is
Anong meaning
ano?
ng 5?
5. Pag tinagalog ko to, malalaman yun na yung sagot. Diba? O, sanitary place. Ano ba ang sanitary?
Teacher, is it fine to check
Malinis.
Teacher, is it fine to check buildings that have been that's no longer used?
No. Ewan ko sa'yo. Not gonna answer that one.
I utilize the word. Fine.
Okay. Sige, raise your hand if you are done. Na magpapalit ng sagot ha. Ayan. So, unti na lang. Hindi pa nakatapos. Zoilo, Rafael, Sian, Vincent, Carlos, Sean, Prab, Patricia, Nathaniel, Petril, Louis, Juliana, Enzo, ang dami pa, Dana, Charles, Sajan, o yun. Yun pa po ang hindi nakatapos. Kasi hindi pa sila nag-raise na hand. Okay, if you're done, raise your hands. Okay, ayan, dumadami na. Okay. How about the others?
10 who are not yet done in answering. 10 participants are not yet done.
Do it faster. The teacher is going to let you listen to a song later pa pala because I want you to realize some things. And the song is very reflective.
Is the song sad or happy, teacher? It will be sad for me.
Let's see what will happen after.
Please don't make me cry, just like what I always do when I always watch a sad drama, like example Miracle in Cell Number 7 when I watch it with my cousin and I got a lot of tissue
I
in my
lesson.
in the same camp.
Okay.
Not gonna lie, I wanted to cry so loud inside the cinema and I just want to be quiet, so I like.
Okay, only 4 people. Okay, Charles, Enzo, Vincent, and Rafael. Tell us
Ba't
if you
parang
are
hindi
done.
nakakat zoom natin?
Hindi, kasi kanina. No, kasi
Zoom
kanina, di ba, wait lang. 1:30 nag-start si teacher. Tapos na-cut tayo since nag-log yung Zoom. Siguro parang nag-back to 0 yung timer niya. Kaya ganun. Okay. Oh yeah, but I think it's more than 40 minutes already.
Yes,
More than 40 minutes na yata, sir.
People, ang tagal naman, Rafael, tapos na.
Sir, 2:30 na. Malapit na mag 2:30.
Oo, okay. Rafael, Charles, Enzo, Vincent,
2:27 na.
4 participants are not yet done either.
Okay, Rafael, Charles, Enzo. Okay, done na si Charles. Rafael and Enzo na lang. Ay, wala daw raise hand si Rafael. O, Vincent, ba't mo nilower hand mo? Tapos hindi, wala pang sending na mangyayari kasi checkin niya natin ngayon. Dito, sasabihin ko sa inyo yung answer. So, you have to check your own paper.
Hindi po, teacher. Inicturan ko po, tapos isa-send ko po lang dito sa ginagamit ko.
Hindi. Checkin din natin dito ngayon. Asan ka na ba? Tapos mo na?
Yes, sir.
Di checkin na natin. Tapos, yung pagpasa, ang tawag dito, saka na lang ako mag-create ng assignment portion wherein you can pass the scores. Okay? Kasi, di ba, at least 2 seat works lang kayo dapat per day. Ayan, si Rafael na lang ay, tapos na rin si Rafael. Ayan, tapos na pala tayong lahat. Okay, sige.
Sir, how about si Enzo?
Nag-raise naman siya na hand. Si Rafael lang ang hindi naka-raise na hand. O nawala siya.
Baka broken yung raise hand button niya.
Nawala si Enzo. Okay, anyway, sige.
Baka broken yung button niya.
Wala siya. Okay, sige. Number 1, let's check.
Ang pag-submitan.
Wala pa, hindi ko pa na-create. Basta, just keep it in your book first. Okay? Baka sa ko na siya ilalagay sa Monday. Okay, number 1, kasi hindi na ako pwede magbigay ng seat work. Baka may 2 seat works na kasi kayo today. Pag nakita ng, if the school see it, baka sabihin nila Okay, number 1, community officials should be enthusiastic in launching cleanliness projects. True. Number 2, I feel uncomfortable living in a clean house. False. Number 3, parents are saddened to see their children keeping their environment clean. Bakit ka malulungkot? Mabait yung mga anak mo. False. Number 4, residents are dissatisfied with officials who work for the good of the community. Bakit ka pa magrereklamo? False. Number 5, I am amazed to see market vendors maintaining a sanitary place. True. 6, my friends are overwhelmed to see our clean and orderly subdivision. True. Number 7, we are encouraged by our officials to join projects that promote good health. True. 8, it is disgusting to see people who do not care for the welfare of others. Yeah, true. Number 9, abandoned buildings should be checked regularly. True. Bakit? Bakit kailangan i-check pa rin abandoned buildings? What if yung abandoned building na yun ay katabi ng bahay mo?
Survivors pa doon?
Kokolap.
Hindi. Yeah, pwedeng isipin niya na baka may survivors pa or anything. Or pwede rin kasi siyang pamahayan ng dumi, di ba? And kung malapit ka doon, basically, you're affected. Baka may mga kiti-kiti doon o kaya baka nagbahay ng ahas doon. Okay, number 10. Some officials
may ahas doon?
di ba? Some officials don't make any efforts to make their community a clean place to live in. Actually, class, this is true. This is true. May mga officials na they don't care at all about their environment.
Kaya totoo?
Sir, parang dito sa amin.
False.
Sir, parang dito sa
Sir,
amin.
alam kong dapat true pero parang
Sure ko false.
Sir, kasi parang sa amin parang
yung nilagay ko.
Some sabi niya.
Bakit pa naging official yan kung di siya
Sir, ba't naging official yun?
True.
Yeah,
trust ako na yung
teacher.
But realistically,
Official kung hindi naman tumutulong.
realistically speaking, class,
Sir, ano yung number?
it's true. Number 10 is true. Number 10 is true. Realistically speaking, class, yan ang gusto ko sabihin sa inyo. Meron talaga mga officials na walang pakialam in terms of their environment. Okay.
Diba tatanggalin dapat sila?
Totoo. Yeah. They go with impeachment, pero mahabang proseso kasi impeachment. And tapos kayong term nila, hindi pa rin sila na-impeach. Okay. Impeachment is the process.
Daya naman.
You know, it's Philippines.
Sir, di ba may walang pasok sa Monday?
Opo, yes. Walang pasok sa Monday. November 30. It's a holiday. Okay, number 11.
Sa Tuesday mo na lang ipapost yung pagpasahan.
Probably. Kasi wala palang pasok na Monday. Okay,
Pero sa
11.
Saturday na lang.
Teachers cannot put
What are you doing?
Nothing.
11.
Just
Okay, tapusin yung teacher. Our barangay officials are happy when people get involved in the Clean and Green campaign.
Sir,
True.
2:32 na.
12. Sige, tapusin natin to. 12. A grade 5 pupil can freely participate in a cleanliness campaign. True. Di ba? Tinatanong ko nga kayo, pwede kayo sumali sa mga ganyan. I am disappointed when I see people keeping the surroundings clean. Bakit ka naman disappoint? False. Okay, yes. 14. We are elated when we see our neighbors keep their backyard clean. Yes. 15. Residents in a model community should be proud and happy for the good work of all. Yes, true.
true.
Kasi pag
Yeah, good. We
pag
are not
happy ka,
not to buy.
Yeah.
Papakita mo pa ba yung sabi mo kanina?
hindi na po. Sayang na ipapakita ko sa inyong song. Pero ito, pakita ko lang din sa inyo. I want you to listen to this song sana during your free time. And wait lang.
Anong pangalan ng song? I-type
Sir,
ko sa
pwede mong
YouTube.
ibigay yung link sa amin sa Arad.
Ibigay mo yung link ko, Sir.
Ayan, ito. Ito yung
The number
title
14, true.
Masdan mo ang kapaligiran.
Ay, alam ko na yata yan.
Oo, Sir, lower hand na ba?
Oo, yes, pwede
Wala
yung
akong
mag-lower na hand.
narinig.
Hindi nyo siya naririnig?
Walang.
Sir, wala.
We cannot hear anything.
Number 11
Kaya may
is true.
picture.
Number 11
Sir,
is
may
true.
picture na bundog.
Sure lang siya? Ba't kaya? Wait, try ko nga tanggalin yung ano ko, yung earphones, ay yung headset.
What the weather be?
Your speakers not working.
Kyle,
Anong pinagsasabi mo, Kyle?
You sing anything, God? We are
The Okawayan Day.
Kasama ba yun? Kasama ba yun?
You hear it?
Yes, Sir. Yes. Oh my. Sir, tinaip ko na sa YouTube. Alam ko na.
Hindi. I can't hear it, teacher.
Sir, sabi daw
Sir,
sa
naglalag.
hindi niya marinig. Sir, naglalag din. Naririnig
Okay, sige
namin.
kung magaling. I'll just send the link na lang in the, in your ARA links.
Sir, na-type ko na sa
Sige,
YouTube.
class. Okay, we need to say goodbye na.
bye,
Hi,
Sir.
Sir.
Thank you,
English.
Bye-bye,
English.
YouTuber Kyle. Bye-bye, Boba T Cookie Roblox.